You're watching Luca's World Academy.
Hi.
Hi guys, this is Vivi from Luca's World Academy, and today we're gonna learn colors with splat balls. But first, let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's right, we got 5 splat balls. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome job, guys. Now we can learn our colors. Do you know this color?
Green.
Yes, that's green. What color is this?
Brown.
Well, it looks like brown, but it's also known as gold. What color is this?
Purple.
That's right, it's purple. This?
Pink.
Yes, that's pink. What color is this?
Green.
That's the top, but what's the main color?
Red.
Yes, it's red. Now let's repeat colors again.
Green, brown, gold, purple, pink, green, red.
Yay, good job. Now the question is, how many piggies do we have? And if we can splat them. That's right, we have 4 piggies, because the tomato does not count. And yes, we can splat them, including the tomato. Bum, bum, bum.
Oink, 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 that hurts. Oink, oink, oink.
Yeah.
Yeah. Boing, boing, boing.
It's a jumping rope.
It's jumping around.
Well, that was fun, right, Vivi? Yeah, I know, we were like splatting everything. Well, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye. And subscribe.